Hey, amazing teachers! Grading participation in a language class can feel tricky, but it's important to remember that participation should never be included in the academic grade. It can artificially inflate or deflate a student's performance, which means the academic grade might not reflect their true abilities. Instead, consider using a separate participation rubric. You could include categories like using the target language, working with peers, and staying engaged. Each category can be scored on a scale of 1 to 4, so students know exactly what's expected, and you can track their involvement fairly without impacting their academic grade. One way to ensure fairness is by implementing self assessment. At the end of the week, have students reflect on their participation based on the rubric. They can rate themselves and submit a short reflection on areas for improvement. This not only promotes student accountability, but keeps participation as a separate metric, distinct from the academic performance. You can use these reflections to support your observations and offer feedback without skewing the actual grade. And if managing participation feels overwhelming, check out our dynamic discipline course at mm.us/discipline. It's packed with practical strategies to create a well-structured, positive learning environment, making it easier to track participation and keep students engaged without any grading headaches. Happy comprehensible input.